Corn, also known as maize, is a nutritious cereal grain that is widely consumed around the world. Here are some of the health benefits associated with eating corn. Rich in nutrients. Corn is a good source of several important nutrients, including fiber, protein, vitamins B1, B5, and C, folate, and minerals such as magnesium and phosphorus. Good for digestion. The fiber in corn can help promote healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool and reducing the risk of constipation. May reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants present in corn, such as zeaxanthin and lutein, may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, certain cancers, and eye disorders. May support healthy blood sugar levels. The fiber and protein in corn can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good food choice for people with diabetes. Supports healthy skin. The vitamin C present in corn can help boost collagen production, which can help keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. May boost immune system. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in corn can help boost your immune system and protect against infections. Overall, corn is a nutritious and healthy addition to any diet. It is best to consume corn in its whole form, such as fresh or frozen corn, rather than processed corn products like corn syrup or corn chips. May improve vision. As mentioned earlier, corn is a good source of zeaxanthin and lutein, which are antioxidants that have been shown to improve eye health. These nutrients are particularly important for preventing age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of blindness in older adults. May help with weight management. Corn is relatively low in calories and high in fiber, making it a good food choice for those looking to manage their weight. The fiber in corn can help you feel full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. May reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in corn may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be a contributing factor to several chronic diseases, including arthritis and heart disease. May improve bone health. Corn is a good source of phosphorus, which is an important mineral for maintaining healthy bones. In addition, the vitamin K present in corn can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. May promote healthy brain function. The folate present in corn can help support healthy brain function, including cognitive performance and memory retention. May have anti-cancer properties. Some studies have suggested that certain compounds found in corn may have anti-cancer properties. For example, ferulic acid, a compound found in corn, has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. In summary, corn is a versatile and nutritious food that can provide a range of health benefits. Incorporating corn into your diet in its whole form, such as fresh or frozen corn, can help you reap these benefits while also adding variety to your meals. However, it is important to note that corn is a relatively high carbohydrate food, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. This is a health information channel created to help the small communities in the rural areas of the Philippines. Please support us, share the video and consider subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.